I want you to practice with me while we're going with this, right? What's up, guys? In this lesson, we'll be looking at another simple and easy pentatonic lick you can add to your repertoire. It's very important to add licks to your repertoire because when you're improvising around, instead of just playing chords and scales, licks are like genius combinations of notes within scales. That sounds really nice. All right, so if you're excited to get into this lick, let's get right to it. So let's check the lick out. The lick we're going to play sound like this. Okay, so if I take that with the left hand chord, so it goes like this. Yeah, how that goes with the line. Right, so let's check that out. In the pentatonic scale, of course, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 5 6, right? So this is playing like, so it's playing you see that 5 3 1 6 3 2 5 3. And if you're playing it in solfege, it's going to be, so pay attention to the fingering as well. If you're playing the solfege, it's going to be so mi do la, so mi do la, mi re so mi, right? All right. So if you're playing, an improvisation with it, let's check if this works on every single chord, right? So let's try with the 6th chord. It passes the test of working on every single chord, so it doesn't matter which chord we are going on, right? Let's see if it works on a 6. Yeah, it's working on every chord in the scale, so I'm not restricted. I can feel free to just move out and do amazing stuff. All right, so let's see. Let's try and bring this a little bit in context and see how that sounds. All right, 4, just 2 chords. All right, F major 7 to an E minor 7. All right, we'll try the melody. Just try just this lick. All right. One more time. Sometimes if you want to make them sound good, you can also play like when you play, you hear what I did there? So I played sometimes when you get a lick, you figure out a lick, I suggest you try to find a way to play that lick over several octaves, right? So this is the lick, right? And you can play it like, right? Or you can find a way to connect double that lick. So like let's figure it out. I haven't tried this, but let's try. So da 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 do ba do. So I'm just adding 2 notes to connect them. So ba ba da ba da da. I want you to practice with me while we're going with this, right? So these licks sometimes sound like they are really difficult, but really they are not. It's just a matter of getting a grasp of how it works. And I suggest when you learn a lick, don't try to play too fast, or get it down. 2 chords, right? And keep playing the same lick over and over again, because your muscles have memory. So by the time you go, so 3, 4, 1, 2, pa do do pa do, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then from there you can obviously bring in a beat or a sound, right? Do that in 10 seconds, right? All right. All right. Give this a go. Let me know how it goes with you. Try and put it in, any song pick the chord progression and try and see if the song ends and there's supposed to be an improvisation. Can you use these licks to make it sound amazing? All right. If you're excited, do well to give it a thumbs up and give me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you're doing. All right. I'll see you in the next lesson.